Example 1, Poisson distribution.
A certain hospital usually admits 15 patients per day. On the average, 3 patients in 100 require special facilities found in special rooms. On the morning of a certain day, it is found that there are 3 such rooms available. Assuming that 15 patients will be find the probability that more than 3 patients will require such special room. So given n is equal to 15, n is equal to 15 is given. P is equal to, so on the average 3 patients in 100 require special facilities. So this is success is getting special facility is the success, and the probability of success equal to 3 by 100. Out of 100, 3 patients in 100 requires special facilities. So our average is equal to 3 by 10, which is equal to probability of success. Probability of success equal to 3 by 10. Now mu is equal to n into p. Since it's uh, n is equal to 50, n into p is less than 5. So we can, instead of using binomial distribution, we use Poisson distribution. Mu is equal to n into p. N into p is equal to 15 into 3 by 100, which is equal to 1.5. Mu is equal to 1.5. Now the first question is, probability that more than 3 patients require special rooms. So the question is to find probability that more than 3 patients will require such special rooms. So probability of x greater than 3. More than 3 patients require special rooms. So before that, we'll write the PMF of probability mass function of the binomial Poisson distribution. P of x mu is equal to mu raised to x e raised to minus mu divided by x factor. E raised to minus mu into mu raised to x by x factor. Mu is equal to 1.5. So 1.5 whole raised to x into e raised to minus 1.5 divided by x factorial. X running from 1 to 3 etc. up to infinity. Now the probability that more than 3 patients require special room is equal to p of x greater than 3, which is equal to 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 3, 1 minus x less than or equal to 3, which is equal to 1 minus summation k is equal to 0 to 3, sum of all probability less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 3, which is equal to p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3 up to 3, from 0 to 3. 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3, that is summation k running from 0 to 3 p of k comma 1.5. Now we need to find the value of summation k equal to 0 to 3 p of k 1.5. For this, we'll use the Poisson table, that is the cumulative distribution function of the Poisson distribution. Sum of all probabilities p of x less than or equal to sum of all probability less than or equal to some k value. This is the Poisson distribution table. Mu is equal to np, so mu is equal to 0.5, 1, 1.0, 1.1, 2, etc. up to 5. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 10. Now mu is equal to 1.5, x is equal to 3. Sum of all probability less than or equal to 3. Sum of all probability less than or equal to 3, which is equal to mu is equal to 1.5 and x is equal to 3. So this is the value. 0.9344. 0.9344. So 1 minus 0.9344, which is equal to 0.66. Otherwise, you can make use of the equation 1.5 raised to x by x factorial into e raised to minus 1.5. Put x is equal to 0, then x equal to 1, then x equal to 2, then x equal to 3. Sum, then 1 minus of summation of p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. You'll get 0.934 as summation p of k 1.5. And which is 1 minus 0.934 is equal to 0.063. So this is the final solution, that the probability that more than 3 patients require special rooms is equal to 0.066. Next example. A product is 0.5 defective and is packed in a carton of 100 cartons of 100. What percentage contains more than 3 defectives? So defective is the success, and the probability of success equal to 0.5 0.5 percentage. That means the probability of success equal to 0.5 divided by 100. P is equal to 0.5 divided by 100. N is equal to 100. N is equal to 100. Mu is equal to N into P, which is equal to 100 into 0.5 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.5. Now, probability of not more than 3 defective, not more than 3 defective. So before that, the probability mass function is equal to P of x 0.5 equal to 0.5 raised to x by x factorial e raised to minus x e raised to minus mu is equal to 0.5. X running from 0 to 3 up to infinity. Now P of not more than 3 is equal to P of x less than or equal to 3. P of x less than or equal to 3, not more than 3. So which is equal to, by using the table, which is equal to sum of all probability less than or equal to 3 with mu is equal to 0.5. Mu equal to 0.5, x equal to 3 is equal to 0.9982. 0.9982 is the solution.